In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for agencies. If you're managing clients, projects, and tasks, Airtable gives you a flexible, all-in-one place to keep everything organized and easy to track. We'll start by creating a brand new base. After you log in, click Add a Base and choose Start from Scratch. Give it a clear name like Client Management so your team instantly understands its purpose. You can pick a color and icon to make it stand out in your workspace, but that part is optional. Clear naming and visuals help your team spot the right base quickly and keep a single source of truth. Next, set up your core tables inside the base. Think of a base as a workspace that can hold multiple tables. For client work, create 3 tables: clients to store client details, projects to track the work you're doing for each client, and tasks to manage the day-to-day actions inside each project. Separating these keeps your data clean and makes reporting much easier. Quick note before we continue: if you need the website link to sign up or the app download, you'll find it right at the top of the description so you can follow along. Now, add the fields that matter to each table. In clients, include name, email, phone, company, and a status field, using a single select with options like active, prospect, and inactive. Using the correct field types keeps your data consistent and searchable. In projects, add project name, link each project to a client, include start date and end date, and a status single select such as not started, in progress, and completed. In tasks, add task name, link each task to its project, choose Assign To as either a simple text field or a collaborator field if your team uses Airtable accounts, add a due date, and set a status with To Do, In Progress, and Done. With fields in place, link your tables so the data stays connected. Link projects to clients and link tasks to projects. This lets you open a client and see all their projects, or open a project and see every related task. Those relationships provide context without duplicate entry and make updates faster. Customize your views so information is easy to scan. Use Grid for a familiar spreadsheet layout. Calendar to visualize due dates and timelines. Kanban to track work by status. And Gallery to display client profiles visually. Consider saving separate views for each team member or phase so everyone sees what matters most. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share. Invite teammates with editor or read-only permissions, and share a view-only link with clients when you need transparency without giving edit access. Finally, use it daily. Add new clients as they arrive, update project statuses regularly, assign tasks, and track progress. Consistency keeps your data trustworthy and your team aligned. Thanks for watching,